Welcome back. They're an important part of our family, and making sure your pets are healthy can sometimes be a challenge. February is National Pet Dental Health Month, and according to the American Veterinary Dental Society, 80% of dogs and 70% of cats over the age of 3 already have dental disease, making it the #1 health issue in pets. Joining us now, Dr. Ruth McPeet, veterinarian and author of the children's book Lizette the Vet. Okay, I got this. Lizette the Vet to share ways to keep your pet's teeth clean. A little bit of a tongue twister there for me, but thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it.
Hi, thanks for having me on.
Of course. So I feel like paying attention to your pet's teeth may not be the top of mind for a lot of people. So can you walk us through why it's important to watch out for and some of the problems that could develop?
Well, the most important thing is that people realize that dental disease is a real problem in pets. It's one of the most common things that we see in dogs and cats. And as you mentioned, we see it in about 80% of dogs and 70% of cats over 3. So, and it's not about your pet having stinky dog breath. It's really about the fact that dental disease can lead to painful tooth loss, painful tooth root abscesses. It can lead to gum disease, and it can even lead to kidney and heart disease when it's left untreated. So it's really important that people realize that this is something they need to be concerned about.
Now, you just brought up bad breath, and I was reading online that one of the warning signs is bad breath. Can you walk us through that and possibly any other warning sign?
Yes, yeah, definitely. If you notice a change in your pet's breath, the other thing that I always recommend is that people actually flip the lip and look at your pet's teeth. You can see my dog Marley has nice, clean, white teeth, and his gums are pink. If you notice that your pet's gums are red or inflamed looking, if any of the teeth are discolored, or you notice any lumps or bumps in your pet's mouth, if you notice that they're drooling more, or you see any blood, tinged drool, or saliva, this could definitely be a warning sign, and you should definitely call your veterinarian right away.
Okay, so one of my girlfriends has 3 pets, 3 dogs, little cute little ones, and she's been having a lot of issues with their teeth. And she wanted me to ask you this question. She's been using those dental care chews. She wants to know if they really work.
Well, the best thing you can do to prevent dental disease in your pets is brushing your pet's teeth. You definitely want to make sure that you're using a pet toothpaste because it doesn't bubble or foam and they don't have to rinse and spit it out. The other cool thing about pet toothpaste, and you'll see my dog loves this, it's actually flavored like chicken, seafood, or beef. Yum, right?
Oh my gosh, that's delicious.
Nothing beats brushing. And you know, brushing, you can use these little finger toothbrushes. You can use, if you have a big dog like mine, you can actually use an actual toothbrush that fits inside their mouth and brushes their teeth. But again, nothing replaces brushing. That is the best and the best way for people to prevent dental disease. If you can't brush your pet's teeth, then there are products like dental wipes, there are dental chews and treats. There are even some sprays that you can spray on their gums or additives in their water, and there are even dental diets. And these do have their value. They help reduce the bacteria that causes plaque buildup. So definitely, again, there's something that you can use, and I do recommend. But again, the best is going to be brushing. If you can brush your pet's teeth, that's really the best.
Now, we ran out of time, but maybe I missed it. Did you mention how many times you're supposed to brush your teeth a day, or is it weekly?
Yeah, ideally, if you can brush your pet's teeth once a day, that's the best. If not, and that's not always realistic for most people, so what I recommend is that they at least brush their pet's teeth a couple times a week. If you get in the habit of doing that, and again, make sure you're always bringing your pet in once a year for regular checkups so that your veterinarian can check their teeth, and if they need a cleaning, they can do that.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Ruth McPeet. We appreciate you being on here. We will see you again soon.
Thank you very much.
And we'll be right back.